And we are trying to get our crate system up to that level. So Antonio X Carter, the crate commissions system that I set up for you guys, go download it right now instead of paying 20, 40, 97 bucks for similar systems like this. I created this specifically for you so that you can get up to $137 per day, which comes to just a little bit less than 4,200 bucks, or a little bit more than 4,200 bucks per month. All right. This is if you don't really have money like that. This is if you're looking to just get started, you're trying to get an introduction to affiliate marketing. This is the system for you that you need to be running so that you can get commissions, recurring commissions monthly, learn what you're doing, and then divvy off into other things as you find more success. So this is the crate system. There's my little introduction right there. And I give you an overview of what everything is, but also I give you opportunities to replace my affiliate links with yours. And what you'll do, you'll download this exact same funnel and you're going to run traffic to it. You're going to purchase traffic for very cheap, or you're going to create videos like this and get traffic to it, which is a little bit slower, but you know, everybody doesn't have the money, the ad spend in order to spend like that. So last video, I talked a little bit. I think I purchased solo ads right in front of you guys. I believe so. And I used Udemy, however you pronounce it. But today I want to tell you guys about my traffic. Highly recommended. I just got done running 300 clicks for somebody, and I was able to get them 2 sales. Okay, 2 sales in less than 24 hours. They got about 1/4 of their money back, and then whenever they send out emails, they should make some more, because I have very high quality traffic. Got some testimonials. I need more testimonials. If you guys want to purchase traffic from me, please go ahead. I would love for you to be my testimonial. So go check that out, antonioxcarter.com/solo ads. Now, as far as the skip system, one of the things that has happened that is a huge ordeal is that one of the products, which is a high ticket product that I promote, has gone away. Spencer Meekham's Affiliate Secrets 3.0. And that sucks, because that was an excellent product for 1,400 bucks, and I got 50% of that. So if I get one sale, that is 700 bucks right off the top. And that alone, if I make 4 or 5 of those sales during the month, guess what? That means that I have fulfilled the obligation of making $100 something per day, and I've skipped straight to the top goal of hitting that I'm gonna just say $4,500 mark in a month. All right. Now, this happens. This is normal within the affiliate marketing world, especially the make money online niche. So what did I do? Okay, what am I doing? Well, first of all, I had to go find another product, one suitable, because I need a high ticket product. You are not going to hit your goals easily without a high ticket product. You're going to be hustling all the time. And just to show you exactly what I mean, we have one of the products that obviously I have 0 commission with this one. I'm a little shocked, but I haven't been pushing things like that. However, we know that it works because your boy's been getting clicks. The past few videos, I really haven't been getting that much clicks. So I ramped up my marketing just a little bit, been a little bit more strategic, sending out emails, putting links inside of my YouTube videos, and I have 13 clicks. Eventually, somebody's going to click, because affiliate marketing and clicks is a numbers game. Somebody's going to purchase, and you're going to see commissions here. This product that I'm promoting, the all-in-one business in a box, whatever you call it, I make $20 a month whenever somebody purchases it from it. They pay 25 bucks a month. I get $20 of that per month. It's just how it works. That's their commission structure. And so if I'm able to get 10 people to do this, well, let's start small. If I get 4 people to do this, that's 80 bucks, right? and 5 people gives me $100. So if I'm able to get 10 people, that gives me $200 commission every single month, like clockwork. As long as they're paying in order to use the funnel builder, then I can build on top of that every single month. And that's phenomenal. Okay. Now that's on top of the other things. If I'm getting the high ticket commissions, you need a high ticket product. And I don't know what the, let's see. Where's the, I'm looking for the affiliate program, log in. I don't want to log in here because I don't want you guys seeing what I use and all that. But anyway, I don't think that I've gotten any commissions, but I want to show you how many clicks I'm getting with Get Response. And hopefully by the next video, my goal is to have a commission for you to show you that it actually works so that we can go through some of the systems of what's working well for me. And the product that I'm promoting for a high ticket product is Jonathan Montoya's Freedom Accelerator. And this product is phenomenal. Excellent numbers. I'm crazy excited in order to log into that. I'm not doing any editing on this video, guys. This one, I'm just going through it and you're gonna see what I'm doing. All right, so I just started running some traffic to this thing. I got some referrals, but nothing super significant yet. So we're gonna check out the Freedom Accelerator, and as you see, it is $19.97. Let's do some math on this bad boy. $19.97 times 0.4, that's an $800 commission. Now, what I'm also going to do is I'm going to make a few sales of these and then go back and ask for 50% commission, because $9.98 is way better than $7.98 for commission. That's $1,000 in your freaking pockets. Come on, stop playing with me, man. And then if I'm able to even show that I'm still getting more commission, he might even bump me up to 75% commissions. I've seen him do this before. He's given me 75% commissions before on another product. Guys, this is the huge, the probably the most biggest unkept, well, it's not unkept, kept secret within the affiliate marketing game that most people do not know about. You can hustle your negotiations when it comes to commissions, but you have to show that you got skin in the game and that you can drive sales, because they want you to push their product and make more sales. So of course they make money for free. Why not give you 75% of the commission? Man, $1,500, guys, you only got to sell 2 or 3 of these bad boys at that point. The whole game changes. Now you see $10,000 months is nothing, right? 10,000 divided by 1,400. 7 products per month. That's it. You just got to sell 7 of those per month. If you're doing what I'm teaching, if you're building an email list, if you're building a YouTube channel or some type of traffic, if you're using your Facebook and Pinterest, whatever it is to drive the traffic to these products, people are going to be following you and clicking your stuff. You have a 3-pay option here, $747 for 3 months. Listen, you not only have the chance to make high ticket commissions, but you also have the chance to make monthly recurring commissions for these things. If I had 20 people who took on this option, right? Now I expect these commissions to come in each month, and I'm not looking for the next high ticket sale. And so along with that, what I want to tell you guys is after scrapping Spencer Meekum's course, because I guess he's going to be doing some updating, whoever purchases this Freedom Accelerator, I highly advise you to watch this video.
This is going to be
Listen, this dude knows what he's doing. I've spoken to him. I've dealt with him. I've watched him build up this business, not only just this business, but his own business from zero to where he's at now. What he is really similar to what I do, right? I don't do anything that I don't teach anything that I don't do. Okay. What you get here is what he's done. So it's going to take a little bit of hustle, but the crap works. Okay. And what I'm going to do after you watch this video, it explains what's in the course and all of that stuff, how he's a little bit of his story and stuff about how he was negative in a bank account and all that. Watch the video, get the product, because he's going to teach you all the stuff that I know, plus better. I'm not going to lie on that. He's killing it. He's probably one of the more notable affiliate marketers in the game right now. So he's somebody I would really listen to. You take me up on that product, and what I'm going to do is I am going to give you, I got a lot of stuff going on. I'm going to give you not 4 weeks of coaching, but 8 weeks of coaching. 8 weeks of coaching as a bonus. I'll even fill out this crate commissions system for you. When I say fill it out, I mean I'll replace all the affiliate links and stuff for you. You don't have to worry about doing it. I'll take care of it all. I'll do everything for you. Oh, I don't even think you saw my screen. Shoot. 8 weeks of coaching right here, guys. 8 weeks of coaching. I'll take care of it all for you. You go ahead, you get the Freedom Accelerator course, you check it out. Go ahead, get on a payment plan. Unless you got $1,400 to drop, it is Christmas. It's very much well worth it. Do not buy any other product ever again. Just go balls to the wall, all in on this product only in 2024, and you will make your money back very quickly. I can tell you, listen, I teach launch jacking, and launch jacking is a technique that I do to this day. And I can promise you, you can make back your investment in 30 days using launch jacking alone, because he teaches launch jacking. I told you there's a lot of very similarities within what I teach versus his product, which is why I trust it, which is why I'm telling you about it. Okay, so what you're going to do as we build your crate commissions system, you're going to find a high ticket product. Okay, you are going to get the affiliate link for that high ticket product, but also I really need you to go ahead and purchase this Freedom Accelerator so I can give you 8 weeks of free coaching. And I believe the date that I set, because I'm only taking 10 to 15 people, I want to make sure that I give you attention and I want to answer questions and stuff. I think I set the date, let's see, the 20th to like the 15th. I think that's a Friday. January 15th, 12th. Let's see here. Yep, January 12th. Get this by January 12th, and I will hook you guys up. I'll work with you one-on-one. We'll go through a lot of the course, a lot of the techniques, because a lot of this stuff is what I do anyway. Some things he just puts more of an emphasis on, more so than what I do. And you will get results. All right, so in the meantime, I'm going to send out some more emails. I'm going to bang on another email here in a little bit. I'm going to send an affiliate link out from this all-in-one system, and I'm also going to purchase some more traffic to get more emails inside of my autoresponder and that they can go through my follow-ups in hopes that I get another commission. So I got a few things coming up. Just definitely check that out. Now, with that said, I'm doing a challenge, the 1 commission away challenge. You are 1 commission away from changing your life, from getting whatever you want, from calling your own shots, from telling your boss, back up, go away, I'm going to take vacation whenever I want to. You don't even have to pay me in order to go on my vacation. I don't need your PTO because I used up all of my vacation days. I'm paying myself. 1 commission away, guys. That's all you are. I'm doing this. It's a 5-day challenge. This is also going to be in January. So 5 days straight of me helping you build your business, your online business, to be successful. And hopefully for those who've never made a commission, you make your first commission in this 5-day challenge. So I got some cool stuff going on. It's time for me to let the world know who I am and what I do. No more hiding behind the screens. All right, guys. Trying to think about anything else. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're finding this journey interesting. We're going to be ramping up a lot of things here in the next couple of days to the next couple of weeks. After Christmas is on and popping, these commissions are going to start coming. I just have to be consistent, and you have to be consistent. That is one of the things that I struggle with. Follow up and consistent. So you know what I did? I've already contacted a VA going into next year and letting them know I need you to work with me every single week, because I cannot trust myself to do all this stuff on my own. Your boy needs some help. It's not my superpower. I'll say that. My superpower is this: connecting with you, teaching, giving you instruction and stuff. I think that's about it. I told you about the high ticket program. I told you about Freedom Accelerator. I want you to get that bonus. I want to work with you for 8 weeks. I told you about Create Commissions. Go ahead, sign up with Get Response and all of the other things in there. If you need help setting it up, I charge $397. I can set it all up for you, or you get that for free as well once you get Freedom Accelerator. All right, I'll throw that in there. And I think that's about it. Anyway, on to the next video, guys. I'll update you in the next one. We'll see you soon. And subscribe to the channel. Drop me some comments below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you got any questions. And holla at your boy inside of the Facebook group, please. We'll talk to you later.